Hey there, marketers! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of digital marketing. Ready to dive into the must-have digital marketing tools for 2025? We've got some game changers lined up for you. Great, let's jump right in and explore these amazing tools that will revolutionize your marketing strategies. First up, we've got System.io. This tool is a powerhouse for anyone looking to streamline their marketing efforts. Now, if you're tired of juggling multiple platforms to manage your marketing efforts, this one's for you. Imagine the frustration of switching between countless tools just to get one campaign off the ground. System.io is an all-in-one solution designed to simplify your life. It brings everything you need under one roof, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Imagine this: building sales funnels, promoting offers, and selling both physical and digital products all in one place. No more hopping from one platform to another. Sounds like a dream, right? But with System.io, it's a dream come true. Well, System.io makes it a reality. It's designed to cater to all your marketing needs seamlessly. But it doesn't stop there. There's so much more to this incredible tool. System.io also fully supports your email marketing, online courses, website building, and funnel automation. It's like having a complete marketing team at your fingertips. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your digital marketing needs. Versatile, reliable, and always ready to help you tackle any challenge. What makes System.io stand out? It's the seamless integration of all these features. Everything works together perfectly, saving you time and effort. It's the seamless integration of all these features. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and use effectively. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, making it super easy to get the job done. No more wasting time searching for the right tool, no more switching between different tools and platforms. System.io consolidates everything so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. One of the coolest aspects is their marketing automation. This feature alone can save you countless hours. You can automate your email campaigns, sales funnels, and other repetitive tasks. This means less manual work and more time for strategic planning. This means you can focus more on strategy and creativity and less on the mundane stuff. Let your imagination run wild while System.io handles the rest. Running your online business has never been easier with System.io. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. The platform's functionality really speaks for itself. It's designed to be intuitive and powerful, catering to all levels of expertise. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, System.io has got you covered. It's perfect for anyone looking to make a mark in the digital world. So if you're looking to streamline your digital marketing efforts and maximize efficiency, System.io is the tool for you. It's a game changer in every sense. It's the only tool you need to launch and grow your online business. And the best part? It's accessible to everyone. You can use it for free forever. That's right, no hidden fees or limited trials. Yep, you heard that right. Click the link below to get started. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your marketing game. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing. We can't wait to see what you achieve with System.io.